Hey folks, exciting news! We've compiled the top 6 business products just for you. If you're keen, give us a sub for future updates. Dive into the description for all the deets and current pricing. Razer Kiyo X. Achieve the ideal angle effortlessly with a stable webcam mount designed to fit snugly onto your monitor. This mount offers the flexibility to tilt the webcam up or down and can also be detached for tripod mounting. Seamlessly switch between auto and manual focus modes. Select from a range of image presets or craft personalized profiles by adjusting brightness, contrast, saturation, and white balance settings, all within the intuitive interface of Razer Synapse. 3. The Razer Kiyo X is intelligent enough to maintain focus on you consistently, ensuring clarity even as you move, change positions, or present objects to the camera. Its output is characterized by crispness, clarity, and vibrancy, enabling you to capture your setup and personality with exceptional visual fidelity, thereby enhancing viewers' enjoyment of your content. Alternatively, switch to high frame rate mode at 720p 60 fps for exceptionally smooth video playback. Despite its advanced features, this webcam boasts a compact and foldable design that occupies minimal space in your backpack. With its USB 2.0 connection, setup is effortless, regardless of where you're streaming from. Logitech Litra Glow Plus. Experience balanced full-spectrum LED lighting with cinematic color accuracy through Litra Glow's innovative TrueSoft technology. Capture vivid, true-to-life images with crisp detail using StreamCam's high-quality glass lens and intelligent autofocus system. Take full control over brightness, color temperature, exposure, contrast, focus, and more with Logitech's complementary G-Hub software when paired with Litra Glow and StreamCam. Litra Glow's frameless diffuser emits a wide, soft light that enhances subjects and eliminates harsh shadows in any environment. Compliant with the most stringent UL testing standards for all-day streaming, Litra Glow ensures reliability and safety. The versatile 3-way monitor mount allows you to adjust height, tilt, and rotation for optimal light placement. With its TrueSoft technology, Litra Glow offers the quickest solution for bringing premium lighting to your desktop, ensuring you always appear at your best on camera. Elgato Facecam Pro. Not many other webcams streams in 4K at 60 fps like the Elgato Facecam Pros, but most people don't need videos that looks that good. It's a powerful webcam for serious content creator. It also has a 90-degree field of view and autofocus lens. The camera hub softwares that come with it also lets you make a lot of adjustment to your settings. With all the power, though, comes in hefty price tags and in hefty webcams. The Facecam Pros is larger than you expect in webcam to be, even larger than the original Facecam. Elgato definitely upgraded the Pro webcam, but if you're not a professional streamer or content creators, you can find a webcams of mostly comparable quality for less than half the price. You probably won't need to upgrade for years and will be absolutely satisfied and happy with this camera. With a 90-degree field of view and other amazing controls and settings, you get anything you could wish for from a best camera for streaming. We think this is genuinely the best camera for streaming out there, so if you have a few bucks to spare, get this one. DJI Action 2. If you're in the market for an action camera that won't break the bank, consider the DJI Action 2. It offers all the functionality you need at a reasonable price. This camera is designed for action, and its modular design makes it highly versatile. The DJI Mimo app features an AI editor that automatically selects and combines your most exciting moments with seamless transitions and upbeat music. The DJI Action 2 camera unit is rugged and waterproof right out of the box, making it perfect for your aquatic adventures. It can be used at depth of up to 10 meters and up to 60 meters when paired with the waterproof case. When recording at 4K 120 fps, the Action 2 will stop filming once the auto-stop rec temp is reached. If set to standard, you can record approximately 3 minutes of 4K 120 fps video, while the high setting allows for around 5 minutes. Despite its powerful features, the ultra-compact DJI Action 2 take up very little spaces in your travel bag. With the magnetic lanyard and magnetic headband, you can easily wear this lightweight cameras on your head or chest while capturing the world around you. Panasonic Lumix DC GH5 II. The Panasonic Lumix GH5 stands as a testament to Panasonic's dedication to creating cameras that cater to both photographers and videographers. The GH5 features a robust, weather-sealed body that is perfect for those adventurous shoots in challenging conditions. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, and the intuitive button layout streamlines the shooting process. The large OLED live view finder and a free-angled touchscreen offer flexibility, ensuring shots are framed perfectly every time. At the heart of the GH5 is a 20.3-megapixel digital live MOS sensor, ensuring images are captured with sharpness and clarity. The camera showcases its prowess in video recording, supporting 4K at 60 FPS, a rare feat for many of its competitors. Its 5-axis dual image stabilizer corrects all lenses, eliminating blur and ensuring crisp photos and steady video footage. With an ISO range of 225/600, the GH5 can tackle various lighting situations, rendering images with low noise and high detail. The Panasonic Lumix GH5 emerges as a powerhouse in the mirrorless camera segment, especially for those with a focus on video production. While it excels in photography, its video capabilities sets it apart, making it a preferred option for videographers and content creators. Whether you're shooting a documentary, a travel vlog, or capturing memories on a vacation, the GH5 promises performance, versatility, and reliability. It firmly establishes its position as a top-tier multimedia camera in the balance of features and price. GoPro Hero 12 Black. A fresh iteration of GoPro's proven recipe, the Hero 12 Black builds on the same hardware as the Hero 11 Black. Physically identical, it retains the same 27-megapixel 8.7 aspect ratio sensor that accommodates cropping for YouTube Shorts. Video still maxes out at 5.3K 60p, with results that continued to impress in testing, and low-light performance remains a disappointing Achilles heel. But there are also enough new features to make this our favorite action camera for YouTube. We found the addition of a 1/4-inch tripod thread between its mounting feet instantly useful, while HDR and GP log video capture unlocked even greater dynamic range in testing. Support for Bluetooth audio inputs is also a win for YouTube vloggers, as is HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, which we found supremely slick in our review. You get backward compatibility with existing accessories, including the Media mod, as well as the familiarly intuitive touch interface. If you already own the Hero 11 Black, you won't find too many headline improvements to justify an upgrade. But if you want a new YouTube action camera, or you're switching from an older GoPro, the Hero 12 Black is the most complete option out there. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.